turn gear.
Now it's time for the race up the hill between Fat in red and Sugar in blue.
Then when we turn right, we're going to start just lifting it slightly. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm all right.
Just push on a bit more then.
We're climbing the iconic and steep Box Hill in Surrey. And in the next few seconds, it's going to turn into a Fat versus Sugar race to the summit.
What's heart rates now, boys?
177.
Yeah.
154.
Just keep next to each other if you can. Okay? Right. Are you ready, both of you? Go! Go on, Chris. Keep it going. Keep it going.
In the race to the top, Chris soon speeds away from me.
He just keeps getting further away, and I cannot make my legs go any faster. It's like I'm stuck in one gear.
With my heart rate pumping at 200 beats per minute, I just managed to get to the top.